啲啊嗰度係啲半啲啲諗嘢啊，發光林媽媽。
For the exhibition race for small boats, we have already 10 boats paid already. Another 2 boats, they are just waiting and see. If 4 teams join, we have a second exhibition race.
快啲行開啦！
比賽就嚟槍聲響啦！
Races are about to begin for race number 29.
哇！手震啊，我有少少。
第二架場獎俾啱賽事外男子組嘅所有球員比賽即將開始。我哋呢個 race will start as soon as possible。所有運動
一鬆緊就懵啦，唉！
呢場亦都係我哋男子組賽嘅最後一場賽事啦。所以過埋呢一場就知道究竟決賽嘅
讀咗。
This is the last race in the men's cup semi-final.
哇！你嗰隻有咁快獎嘅。
第6線咧，最左邊係台灣嘅過高龍咧。Link 6 on your far left is to be from Taiwan, Yunnan County. 好勁啊！
點解咁樣嘅？
Congratulations, guys.